guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm filming for you all a video that was a trend a few months ago and everyone was doing, and I'm a little bit late to the trend, but I thought I would film it anyway because I really want to film this video. So I'm going to be basically filming for you all I tried following a Yazonlines tutorial. So I'm basically going to be trying to recreate her makeup that she done in the video, and it's actually going to be really hard because I've chosen a very extreme makeup look that doesn't exactly suit my eyes, and it's just going to look like I've been punched, I bet you. So, woo. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get straight on into this video. She starts off with foundation, but I'm going to start off with the Mario Badescu facial spray. So Yaz started off with foundation, but I don't know what one she's using, so I'm just going to use the one that I have and the one that I use. I use the L'Oreal True Match foundation in the shade Golden Beige. I've never actually used this one before. I literally bought this yesterday because mine had run out. So, oh my god, I put way too much on my hand. Maybe we should just tan. Might be a much better idea. Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? So you never ever leave from beside me. Yaz is now doing concealer, and we have the same concealer, so that's perfect. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Instant Anti-Age Eraser Concealer. So she's now using like Bake, which is like loose powder. So this is the only one I have, which is the Collection Sheer Loose Powder. So I'm going to use this. So she's now using bronzer, so I'm going to use the Benefit Hoola bronzer with this Sculpt London brush. For my highlight, I'm going to use the Sleek Solstice highlighting palette, which is honestly, like, it's stunning. Like, just look at those shades. Brows, I'm going to use the MUA Pro Brow Kit. So I'm now going to carve out my brows with the Collection Lasting Perfection Concealer. Okay, so we're now putting concealer on the eyelids. So I'm going to use the Revolution Reloaded Neutrals 2 palette now, and I am going to use sort of like this dark purple-y sort of colour. So she said you've got to put glitter primer on lids. I don't have glitter primer, so we're just going to go with concealer. So she's put like a glitter purple on where she put the concealer. So I do have glitter purple, and I'm going to use this glitter purple shade from the Revolution palette again. So she's now doing her lip gloss. She said she's using a brown lip liner first, but I don't have a lip liner, so I'm just going to go straight into lip gloss. I'm going to use the Revolution Amazing Sheer Lip Gloss. It's like, this one is actually my favourite. I use it all the time. So she's now doing her eyelashes. She's using mascara for her bottom lashes, but then she's using proper lashes on her top eyelashes, but I don't have any lashes to use, so we're just going to be using mascara. I'm going to use my favourite, which is the Benefit They're Real. I've actually only got a mini, but it's just amazing. Like, So this is the finished makeup look. I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button down below, click the notification bell while you're there too so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And also make sure you go over onto Instagram or any sort of social media where you might have Yaz, and please keep tagging her in my Instagram picture reel, which I will upload soon. Make sure you go over there and tag her and tell her to watch this video, because it would literally mean so much to me. And I love you all so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.